Hello friends, hope everybody is doing good. Should we let our children struggle or should we come to rescue them? When we let our children struggle, we help them build the muscle they need to overcome the challenges in the future. But it is very difficult to see our children struggle, and what do? We immediately come to save them. But imagine you are lifting weights at the gym, and the first sign of struggle or strain, a well meaning bystander comes to lift the weight for you. And this happens every time. Are you going to get any stronger? Will you ever discover just how strong you can be? No. The same thing applies to the children also. If we keep on helping them, they will never become strong themselves. They will never learn to solve their own problems. And this implies that they are not capable. We think they are not capable of overcoming their problems. So how do we empower them? How do we empower our children that they are able to overcome these problems? No, the first one is we have to listen and empathize. Sometimes children don't expect that physical help. They just need a listening ear. So practice listening. When your children vent out about a problem, just listen. You can just say, you seem angry, you seem frustrated. I can understand that, what you're feeling. This is okay. Second is ask open-ended questions. For example, how do you think you can solve this problem? What solutions you have? What else can you try? This will help them. These open-minded questions will help them to bring out that problem-solving ability. The next is to provide options. Sometimes children are so consumed by their frustration that they are not able to think what to do next. So this is where you can help them. You can just ask them, would you like to keep trying? Or you would like to take a break? Or do you need some help? And the last, acknowledge when they succeed. Wow, I know that was hard. How do you feel now that you were able to solve the problem yourself? This will really cheer them up. It is important to remember that success and achievement are not about talent. It is all about the willingness to struggle and keep going. So just a small shift from I have got it. So we have got this. And this will help the children to become very resilient and they'll be able to solve their problems themselves. Thank you so much for listening. Hope this helps you. If you have any questions and if you want, you can give some suggestions for the next topic which we should be discussing in the comments below. Thank you. Thank you so much.